Oh, they've put the steering wheel on the wrong side again. Hello and welcome to Germany. Today we are just crossing the Rhine. Can you see the Rhine River over my shoulder there? And we're heading to a very special preview. It is the world premiere of the Volkswagen T6.1 California. Okay, something here is telling me that I have got the right place. I've actually found a way in, folks. It's the first time for everything. Right, so here we are, lots of very international famous people, and here we are, first look. So there's the coast, and then you got the beach there. So, oh, it's very swish, isn't it? Look at that, oh, look at that, look at that. Can you get that? Can you get that, folks? Oh yeah. Oh, hello baby. You've got the new fruit, that's very nice, very swish, very swish. Lovely, lovely. As we go in. So, someone tells me something a little bit about an instrument panel. Actually, this is called the camper control unit. As well as controlling and viewing the usual features such as battery state, there are two funky new features as well, like the sunrise feature to the lighting menu, which slowly and gently brings up the light level in the morning. But by far the most useful feature is the level function, which will make life so much easier when levelling the van. So that was the coast, which is unfortunately unlikely ever to make it to the UK. Now we'll have a very quick look at the beach, which is like the MPV version of the California. So you still have the raising roof and the roof bed, but it's more of a people mover than a camper van, as you can see by very little furniture on the inside. Here we have some lovely people from Volkswagen showing that the coast is the perfect party bus, huh? It's really good, it's really good. This is a professional. This is a professional. This is how to really... No, this is... No, this is professional. This is fan for van. Follow this guy, he's really good. I'll put a link down there.
Thank you very much.
He's teaching me all I know. And appropriately down here at the beach we have the ocean, and this is one of the ones we're going to get in the UK. Very nice it is too. So you'll have the new... So as well as the wonderful Marcus here from Fan for Van, we have the sexy Steve from Campervantastic.
I can tell you a few things that we've noticed that are different, certainly different on the new California Ocean. You've got some new handles on here on the cupboards.
Yeah, very nice.
Much swisher.
Swish, that's my word.
Reliable. Oh, jolly good. Now you'll like this.
Yeah.
You really like this. Oh, hello.
Oh, that's sexy.
Now let's just move that up a little bit. We can get that up. You can see there.
That is sexy.
Now I think this is a bit of a nice feature. If you've got a fridge and you're used to using your fridge when you're camping, one of the things a lot of people complain about is keeping it aired when it's empty. Well, you can just leave it like that now, and it won't automatically close.
Perfect.
So that's a super feature to have on
Let's
the
have a
new
look in that
California
fridge.
Ocean. Yeah. Same fridge as we had before. Handles on here changed again. Now one of the things we had on the old California Ocean was we had these sort of Concertina panelled doors that tended to sort of catch.
Yeah.
These are much better. You've got to slip this one back forwards here to get this one to open. I'll just show you there. And that will release.
That is brilliant.
Which is a lot more sturdy than what we had before. So if you were loading in the boot, you'd find that you might catch your old shutters, but these look much much more robust.
It's fantastic. And then we've got some information we've got here. I know we got lane assist on this, and we got the sunrise function on the lighting, where the lighting comes up nice and slowly. You just get the roof bed out of the way.
I haven't used it yet.
No,
This is
right.
the first time.
Okay,
So we're going to press on this.
okay. Press it, see what happens.
So there's another new feature on the California Ocean. I'm uphill here a little bit, so if I slide this seat forwards, pop the headrest back, and then lower the bed. One of the new features position is you've got this nice little
Oh, fantastic.
mattress here. So one of the new features is you can pull this paddle up here.
Yeah.
It's on a ratchet. You can now make this a nice recliner for when you're camping.
Well, look, your chaise long.
Yeah,
Fantastic, fantastic,
Chilling out, reading the book,
fantastic.
glass of beer.
You could say it's Campervantastic. Sorry, cheese comes extra. Thank you very much, Steve. How do people find you online?
You can find us at Campervantastic.com. We have a range of California accessories, and also we hire out the VW California, and we're very excited that we'll be getting this new vehicle for 2020.
Fantastic. So we'll link to Campervantastic below. Thank you very much, Steve. So just when we thought we'd seen everything, VW had a little trick up its sleeve, and it wheeled out a California beach driven by kitesurfing champions Florian Gruber and Alina Kornelli. And this California beach had a very special little new feature. A pop-out kitchen. How cool is that? So it is essentially an MPV, but it still has a roof bed and a little pop-out kitchen. It's that Instagram moment. Cool. The infotainment system in the cab has also been reconfigured, and one of the new features is that you can now enjoy the infotainment system while on a camping pitch as long as you're on a mains hookup. At the time of the preview, prices were not yet released, so I can't give you any prices. However, I hope you enjoyed this little sneaky first look at the VW California T6.1. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you don't already, and it just leaves me to say, from the banks of the Rhine, thanks for tuning in.